Welcome. My name is Mr. Star. In this video, I will tell you how you can send documents from WhatsApp in your iPhone. The first step is you have to open Files in your iPhone. In Files, you have to open iCloud Drive and you have to scroll down on the screen and click on these three dots in circle and select new folder. We will write WhatsApp documents. Now click on done and see WhatsApp document folder has been created. Now minimize it, go to your photos. If you want to send this picture as a document from WhatsApp, so click on the share icon which is at the left down corner of the screen. Scroll down, select save to files. Then you have to save to this WhatsApp documents and save it. Minimize it, go to WhatsApp, click on this plus icon, select documents. Now click on this picture, select send. See, the picture has been sent and the size of the picture is 3.26 MB. Now if you want to send a video from WhatsApp, click on the plus icon, go to photo and video library, select this video and see the half length of the video will be sent. So we will cancel it, minimize it, again go to photos, select this video and click on this icon. Scroll down, save to files. Again you will select this WhatsApp documents and save it. Minimize it, go to WhatsApp, click on the plus icon, select documents. See, the same video has been displayed over here in WhatsApp documents. The name is large. Click on this, select send and see the video has been sent and the size of the video is 98.7 MB. My friends, by using these steps, you can send any video or picture in original quality and size through WhatsApp in iPhone. For today, this was all from us, and guys, please do like and share our video and please subscribe our channel Star World TV so that you can get notification of our upcoming videos. Please stay safe and take care.